Today we're gonna be unboxing, unpacking, opening up. Dun 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 dun. Our Morphe me. I'm whispering because I think I'm bothering the ghost that lives in my house. So I'm recording, right? And I'm recording, right? And when I record, I'm fancy, so I only record on my mobile. So I'm recording on my phone, and as I'm recording, the little little yellow box will sometimes pop up showing me that it's trying to focus on my face, right? Why did it just focus on something right here, right next to me? I don't know. So then I'm recording, and I'm like, oh, let's open this up, because I already opened this up, and I'm recording, and my freaking camera just shut off. I don't know if I'm bothering the ghost that lives here. I hope not, because that really, really scares me. But listen, we're gonna get through this together. So if I keep my voice down, it's because I'm trying not to disturb the ghost. Okay, let's get to it. So the Morphe. What's a Morphe? Seriously, I don't know what is happening in my life today. I hope the ghost kid leaves me alone. My shadows are bouncing all over the wall. My hair and me had a timeout situation. I don't know what's happening, but at least my lipstick looks pretty, doesn't it? Okay, so let's get to it. So this is the subscription. It is $19.99 a month plus tax. For me in California, the tax was $21. It came out to a total of $21.64, I believe it is. It is a monthly automatic renewal. You can cancel it at any time. You can skip a month if funds are low. I know how that goes. So if funds are low a month and you need to skip, you can definitely do that. Also, what you can do is, if you happen to get brushes that you already own, that let's sit crooked and talk straight here. I don't know what is happening in my life right now. Okay. So if you happen to get a brush in your pack that you already own, or you say, you know what, I'm just not feeling these brushes, you have the option of trading one brush that you might not like, or trading your whole brush by going through their website, which I think is super cool, because I don't know of any other subscription that does that. Like if you get a makeup product or something you don't like, that you can trade it in. So I really like that Morphe does have that feature. You can sign up for 6 or 12 months at a time. If you guys are interested in signing up, I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below. If you sign up through my link, you get an extra free brush, I get a free brush, we all get free brushes, and we all win, and we're all super, super happy. So I'll leave that in the comments down below. So let's open this bad boy up. Well, I'm not gonna open it up, I already did, but apparently the ghost boy didn't like that earlier, so now we're recording again. Okay, so also, don't let this, I don't know why, I don't know if it's the stress of the day that I had today or what, but I look like my chest got sunburned. There is no sun in Palmdale right now. I woke up and there was snow in my backyard. Like, I don't know what's happening. But anywho, I swear I'm not sunburned. I don't know what is happening. But anyway, I digress. Okay, so this is what the little, yeah, this is what it looks like. Let's read it. So this is what it looks like here. This little brochure, it comes with, I don't know if you say brochure or pamphlet, maybe pamphlet. So this is what the pamphlet looks like, the one in your Morphe brushes for March. And I am trying to be a little bit more adventurous with my makeup life. Not today, because I'm going to be filming another eyeshadow video today, but I do love this like green color on there. And I don't know, sometimes I feel like my skin tone doesn't carry certain colors very well. But listen, let's try it. What's the worst that can happen? I have to wipe it off. I mean, I'm not gonna try it today, but I will at some point. So it does say Morphe Me March 2018. Again, it looks like this. And then it has this save 10% on all Morphe products through their website. It's morphebrushes.com, it says, and use coupon code GOLD18. So if there's something you guys are looking to buy, if you haven't already, pick up the 24G palette. Absolutely love it. No regrets. Just my advice. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now we're gonna open it up and see the different brushes in here, and I will be taking out the brushes one by one from in here. Like I said, I was filming a video earlier, and I cut this open, but I'm telling you, the ghost person that lives here didn't want me to record it, so I had to start all over again. Okay, so the first brush, now remember the subscription ends up being $21.64 or $65, And I'm gonna keep a running total of the brushes so that we see if we're getting our value back for what we're paying. So the first brush that we're getting, oh, these are from the Rose Gold line. I did double check and it did say the Rose Gold line. So, and I can see why. I'll show you guys in a minute. Okay, so this is the first brush, the R4, and this is the Pro Angled Blush. Pro Angled Blush. Let me take it out. It says, to get those shamrock shaken. To get those shamrocks shaken, sweep some blush and highlight on your cheeks with the Pro Angle Blush. These luxurious bristles will have you looking like a pot of gold. So I don't know if you guys remember in February brushes, in my video of the February brushes, I did tell you guys that these bristles really feel like you're petting a kitten, and it's like, oh, come here, little kitten. Like, I'm expecting this to start purring. These brushes are absolutely soft. I love them. They are synthetic. They're not animal hair. And they do have, the top of this is not white. It's like an ash kind of, ash white, ash color. And then it has, you know, the darker brown bristles. This is a rose gold color with the black handle. So remember, these are the Rose Gold line. And the R4 is a value of $10. So we're going to start that here. Now, I've been using not a fan brush. I've been using this brush that I got in my February subscription, the E61, for my highlight. So I don't know, I've been like learning how to put it here, you know, here on my tip of my nose. But I don't know, using a bigger brush like this for highlight, is that like normal? Do you guys use a bigger brush or a smaller brush? Let me know what you guys, you know, prefer. I've been using this one, but I am gonna try that one out. I'm just afraid that I'm gonna be like whoosh, you know, and it's like, I'm gonna blind people. So let me know what kind of brush you guys prefer. I'm still gonna try it because why not? Okay, so that's the first one. Remember that has a value of $10. I'm putting back my other brush. Okay, so the next one we're gonna pull out of this little baggie is the R33, and this one, oh, this one's pretty. Oh, look what's happening. I was trying to like just push it out of the sleeve. Look, it's like you have to cut it open, I think, or something. I don't know what's happening in life. Okay, let's take it out this way. So this is the, I'm telling you, oh, this smells like nail polish. Oh my God. Hold on. This has no scent to it. None. The R4. This smells like somebody dipped it in clear nail polish. Weird. Maybe I'll wash it before I use it. So this is the R33. It is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful brush. This one is a round blender. And it says, the round blender fits in a small space like a leprechaun. Leprechauns fit in small spaces? I suppose. Let's see. Use this dense brush to precisely place the product around the nose and under your eyes for a flawless finish. Around the nose and under the, oh, like if you're doing like setting powder or baking powder, powder, and you need to put it like right here. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Oh, girl. Them creases, girl. Oh, or you need to get like in here. Oh, I love it. I can't wait to use that. Look at that. And it has the same ash color like bristles. Same thing, super soft, but you can feel that this is more dense in here. So super, super pretty. Ooh, I like it. Okay, so this was the R33, and this one has a value of $5. So now we're at a total of $15. And I'm all up in your guys' personal space because we're friends. Why not, right? Okay, so the next one, so we're at $15, remember that. So the next one is the R42, and you know what? I never thought about smelling these brushes because the other ones didn't give off a smell like that, but that one that I just took out, the R33, it really did smell strong. That's so weird. I wonder if that's why it was sealed at one end. I don't know. Okay, so anyway, this is the R42, and it looks like, look how pretty that is. So pretty. This one smells the same way. You need to clean these, probably. Not because they're dirty, because they're not. They don't look dirty. But that smell, it's like the chemical smell. That's so weird. So this is the R42 right here. And this one says an oval shadow and concealer. Oh, look how pretty that is. Ooh, look, ooh. Let's see. The oval shadow and concealer brush will be your good luck charm. This oval tipped brush can pat down color like no other. So I'm assuming this, well, I'm not assuming, it says oval shadow, duh, it says it right there, is to pack on the product on your eyeballs, eyelids, whatever you want to call them. So I really, really like this color. Same thing, the rose gold, this part. What is this part called? I want to say it's a trivet, but I know it's not a trivet. So please tell me what this is called. And then, you know, the same color, ash color bristles and the black handles, super pretty. So that was number 3. Oh, and this one, the R33, is also a $5 value. So we're at a $20 value so far. And then the last brush that we got in here, I think it's the last one. Yeah, it's the last one. The last one in here is the R3, and it looks like this. This one is a precision, okay, words I cannot say. Physician, decision, and precision. I don't know. Listen, I've spoken English, learned English, something English, since I was about 4 years old. When I hit kindergarten, Spanish was my first language, and there are certain words that I just cannot say, such as precision. There's something about it that my mouth just doesn't like. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. Same type of bristles, super, 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 super soft. The R3, this one, it says, while this versatile precision pointed contour brush, you can, not while, with this versatile precision pointed contour brush, you can contour your cheeks and apply any cream product and set your face to make everyone green with envy. OMG. Okay, so here's the thing. I don't really contour much because I don't know if you guys can tell now, maybe not, but I have a lot of acne scars right here on my cheeks, and if I contour, it kind of makes the stars. Yeah, it makes the stars stand out. It makes the scars stand out more, so I try not to contour my cheeks. I want that chiseled, you know, that like chisel, like where she get her cheekbones from. I want that, you know. I tried to do that, but it just looks like a hot mess because we need to fix the scar situation before we try to contour anything. My hair is just getting crazier as we go. Anywho, but I do like do up here, you know, and stuff. And then blush, definitely. I can see this being a perfect blush brush. My eye is so red, look. Ooh, oh my gosh, look how red my eyes look. I think I'm gonna cry. It's the ghost boy. Oh my gosh, seriously, dude, look at my eye. It's like super red. And you know what? When I was putting on my makeup earlier, I felt like it was sensitive. Like, you know when you're going to get a sty in your eye? That's what that felt like. I hope I don't get a sty. Oh my God. I'm going to be walking around with like mocha eyes. When you get pink eye. Ooh, who farted on my pillow? Okay, so this is what this brush looks like, the R3. Again, I really, really, really love these brushes. This one has a value of $12. So let's see. 10 plus 12 is 22. Plus 5 and 5, that's 32. So we're at a $32 value for all 4 brushes, which definitely exceeded the $21 that we paid for it. It's like as if you paid for 3 of these and got, where's the R4? This one free right here. So as if you paid for these and got this one free. I absolutely love it. I told you guys in my other review that, you know, I am new to the makeup life. You guys know that. You know, I repeat it all the time because I am. So just, you know, be nice to me if my makeup looks weird sometimes. But I love this subscription because I don't have to go and be like, okay, I need a... because sometimes I don't even know what it's called. Like this brush right here, right? So this is the R42. This is the oval shadow, right? So I know when I try to pack on the eyeshadow, I know that I want a brush that looks like this, like it's more flat, right? And denser, right? Or more dense. So, but I don't know what it's called. I don't know what I'm really looking for. I just feel like sometimes I'm like, I need a brush that can do this. What is it, you know? So getting this subscription and just saying, somebody saying, here, try these out. These are for this, 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 and this, and this, and tell me what you think. Again, beauty life has no rules. You do what you want with whatever you want. If you want to use this brush to put on lipstick, go for it. If you want to use this to put on your eyebrows, by all means, have fun, go for it, you know. But I like to know what is for what and to try it out. And if I see that I like a brush for another reason, then I will, you know. But I like having that somebody saying, look, we know what we're talking about, use this for that, use this for that, and then you decide, you know, what you like them for. I absolutely love it. I am definitely keeping this subscription. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think, you know, these brushes are good brushes, not brushes? Would you guys want the subscription? Do you guys plan on signing up? You know, let me know your thoughts. Do you guys have these brushes? Have you used them before? Hold on, I'm trying to make them all like pretty. Hold on. There. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for spending the day with me today. Well, not the day, the evening, because it is 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock at night. My energy right now is through the effing roof. I don't know why. I had to wake up super early. I worked all day, had things to do, you know, and it's just, I don't know why all of a sudden, as soon as I punched off of work, I was, okay, so this was me, right? I work from 9 to 6, right? So Monday through Friday, I work from home, so most of my day is alone. You guys know that. So this was me. It was like 5 o'clock, and I'm like this, oh my God, how can I help you? I am a call center representative. I do auto insurance. So I'm sitting there like, how can I help you? Half asleep, like, yawning, you know, like, oh my God, I'm so tired of this. Boom, 6 o'clock comes, and I'm like, let's wake up. Let's get going. Let's start this day. I don't know. And surprisingly, I had 0 caffeine today. I don't know where this energy came from. So as soon as I was off of work, I was like, all right, I'm going to do my makeup. I'm going to fix my hair. That didn't work out. I was like, I'm going to, you know, just do some videos, you know, and my energy is just going. Like, I seriously want to go outside for a walk, but I won't because it's late and it's cold. I don't want to do that to myself. But I don't know what happened. You know, I just don't know. You know, sometimes you just, the minute you clock out of work, you're like, like you woke up like you were asleep all day, right? Well, anyways, thank you guys so much for spending the day, like I just said, the evening with me. I really do appreciate you guys taking your time to watch my videos. Before you guys leave, please hit the like and the subscribe button somewhere there down below, and also the little bell notification so that you're notified every time I upload a video, because we have fun and I like to talk. Could you tell? And you know, it's just fun. We like to spend time with each other, right? So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.